Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from group number 4 from Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan, Pasir Gudang, Johor Bahru. Working of the time during COVID-19 pandemic was quite challenging. How to ensure working in a safe and secure environment? We have interviewed Encik Abdul Rashid, a police officer of IPD Bukit Aman. He is 34 years old and he's been working as a police officer for 6 years. During the interview with Encik Abdul Rashid, the problem that he had is always need to be reminded about check the temperatures with the handheld electronics. But sometimes that not accurate about the temperatures. Also need to be reminded about face masks and keep their social distance with other people by their boss. There are 4 solutions that we have to come out for the focus main the problem. During the idea and the process, many ideas have come to our mind, such as a reminder messages on robotic that we have sanitizer and face mask on it. So one of the idea we agree together is spectacle that can scan the body temperatures.
So we were inspired by the KTM Auxiliary Police for our product innovation, where there were smart helmets to track the temperature of the passenger on board the KTM. So with that, we got the idea for a new innovation, which is a glasses that can detect body temperature for the employers. So the name of our product is Gen Specs, which is the full name is New Generation Spec. So the function of our product is the spectacles can scan and capture the temperature on other people. So the spectacles will be used by our persona, which is he is a police officer.
Spectacles are made out of many different parts and components such as camera, infrared thermometer, bidirectional charger port, Bluetooth buttons. For camera, we built it into the frames and we use it as a video recorder that can capture a significant amount of footage. For infrared thermometer, we built it into the thick frames and enable us to measure the temperature quickly at a certain distance and without having any interactions and touching the person that we are measuring. For magnetic charger port, we built it in the temples part and use it as a wireless charger for the spectacles. For Bluetooth buttons, we implanted it in the temple parts and use it as a connector to phones to monitor the temperature.
Next, for the dimension of our spectacles is, for the shape of our spectacles is like sportwear spectacles that will be wide and thick. And for the material will be used on the spectacle is titanium metal and will be combined with plastics. For the frame front, we use the plastic material and the temples we use titanium metal. For the nose bridge, we add a small camera and in the inside of front frame until the temples has a wire for the function to all the components of the spectacles. Next is the height for the spectacle is 43 mm, lens height 52 mm, lens width 132 mm, frame width 140 mm is for temple length, and for the weight of spectacle is 30 grams. The color of our spectacle is black. Next is the features of the products. The features of our spectacle is scratch resistant, and ultraviolet protection. Most of lenses today have this ruling. The lenses we use is a polycarbonate. It is because we provide to the police officer employee.
For the position, all the components that we use for the spectacles is camera. The camera we put on the bridge nose. So when to scan the threat picture, our pupil can be more accurate. Next part is a Bluetooth button. We'll put on outer parts at left temples. So the charge will be inside part at left temples. So the right temple we have a chapter and temperature buttons. Next, I want to talk about the connection between parts. The temples on both is this side that contain Bluetooth buttons and magnet charge parts are connected to frame from through three and piece. At the frame from by the top of each other parts of infrared thermometer is connected by adhesive glue. Also, the lens are connected to other lens through which contain cameras. And the point about number 10 is in the market we deactivate the prints of my smart helmets used by the auxiliary police in KTM. So for the compressors with our products, we only innovative the product by using glasses only. This is because use a helmet is quite heavy and hard to be worn by the workers. Then we use Negen glasses become lighter and easy to workers to wear.
It explains how to use the product and where to buy the product. Firstly, you need to wear the spectacles. Secondly, you need to press on the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds to connect your Bluetooth connections from phone to spectacles. Thirdly, check your Bluetooth connections on your phones. Fourthly, check your camera and infrared thermometer on your phones. Lastly, after finish checking everything, you can use it comfortably. If you want to find our product, you can find the spectacles on our website www.nejin.com or on our Shopee page Nejin Official Store. All from us, thanks for watching the video and I hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you.